Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So Polygon continues to follow the expectation here. In the last video we talked about an upcoming wave 4 in this larger C wave of 2, and this is started. I mentioned to you, if we break out above this descending trend line, that's probably when this wave 4 will have started. I think we're doing this wave 4 at the moment, and we could after that sell off in wave 5. So in this video I want to talk to you about the different scenarios. This is the Polygon MATIC chart. What I will do, I will take these lines out now. They're not very helpful anymore. So they were helpful, they are not anymore. Also take this channel out, it just makes it all a bit. Take that out as well, don't need it. And my view, my favorite scenario here is still that all of the move to $1.05 from the June low was a wave 1, and that we are now coming down in a wave 2, and the wave 2 consists of a wave A, an overshooting wave B, and a wave C, which is currently coming down. And as you might know, if you have an overshooting wave B, you need to go below the low of the A wave. So we need to get at least below 69 cents. Well, we don't need to. Yeah, nothing is a must, but the alternative would be that this move down here is just a so-called running flat pattern, which is extremely rare. Okay, so primary expectation would be that we are following this C wave down to complete the wave 2 into the region between 47 and 69 cents, ideally lower than 69. And if I look at the Fibonacci levels, ideally I would like to see a target in the lower half of this box. So let's say between 47 and let's say 60 cents. Yeah, that would be ideal to finish off this wave 2. We can, yeah, so this is one scenario where we would now move down. Well, first of all, we need to finish off the fourth wave. At the moment, I see this only as a correction to the upside. This move down is a diagonal pattern, so the Fibonacci levels are not always hit in an ideal way, but we've now reached a 23.6% retracement, which is the minimum expectation for a wave 4. We reached that now, so theoretically we could already come down now. A more likely target would be the 38.2% Fib level, 91.5 cents. That would be the ideal level, and then the maximum you would normally expect from a wave 4 would be the 96 cent level, the 50% retracement, and after that, at the latest, it should move down. If it doesn't, and if it pushes higher, then we have another scenario that we could look at, and that would then most likely be a direct breakout scenario. So if we break above this 50% retracement that I just showed you, and by all means scroll back in the video just to take a look at that level, but then I would think that we are already in the breakout, which would mean that we have probably then already seen the wave 2. The wave 2 is already in. Is it likely? No. And it's not likely because we have not come below the low of the A wave. And if I look at the Fib levels for this wave 2, if we turn around already now, and I just need to make that a bit more accurate, but it's sort of here. Now I need to go to the high, but I haven't moved that high enough. So it's broadly here between the 50% retracement at 69 cents and the 78.6 retracement at 47 cents. So this is somewhere where I would ideally see this wave 2 finish. If we turn around already now, well, then we would have only hit, and that's exactly why we find support here as well. We would have only hit the 38.2% Fib level. That is of course possible for a wave 2, but it is less likely. The most likely scenario for a wave 2 is here. But yeah, I can't rule it out. You know, it could break out from here, but I would only see that as a possible, or let's say a likely option, if we break above that 96 cent level. Okay. So that's the second option, the breakout. There is one more option, but I don't really see that. It would be when the wave 1 was up here. So if wave 1 was up here, But then I would see this as a wave A down, a wave B up, and we would come down in a C wave. It wouldn't make a great difference, to be fair. It wouldn't make a great difference, so let's just leave that here. It's also quite unlikely due to the long sideways movement here. But yeah, that's sort of my view. So I think at one of these key resistance levels I just gave you, we should turn around. And if we break through it, you know that we are most likely in a breakout scenario. Should the breakout occur from here, and I can give you that target as well, but it wouldn't be likely, but still you want to be prepared. So should the breakout already occur from here, then we are looking at a possible target for a third wave of around $1.95. Now, that's pretty decent. But yeah, that's my update about Polygon MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.